Welcome to Ames tutorial. In today's class, we are going to discuss about quadratic expression. Our first question is, if alpha, beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0, then find the value of alpha square plus beta square. So first write down the given quadratic expression. So if you compare with the f of x, given quadratic expression, consider as f of x 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Its roots are alpha and beta. What are the roots? Alpha and beta. So we know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals to, formula is minus b by a. That is minus of minus 3 by 2 is plus 3 by 2. Next, product of the roots alpha into beta is c by a. That is 5 by 2. Now here we have to find the value of alpha square plus beta square, that is a square plus b square, and we know that formula of a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So a plus b means 3 by 2 whole square minus 2 times of 5 by 2. So here 2 get cancelled. 3 3s are 9 by 4 minus 5. If you cross multiply, 9 minus 5 4s are 20 divided by 4. 9 minus 20 is minus 11 by 4. Therefore, our alpha square plus beta square equals to minus 11 by 4. Any option is there? Yes, fourth option is the right option. Now next question is, if alpha beta are the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, alpha power minus 3 plus beta power minus 3 by alpha cube plus beta cube. We know that sum of the roots alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, and product of the roots alpha into beta equals to c by a. Here we have to find the value of alpha power minus 3, beta power minus 3 whole divided by alpha cube plus beta cube. So this one we can write alpha power 1 by alpha cube, 1 by beta cube, since a power minus 1 is 1 by a, into this one we are writing separately 1 by alpha cube plus beta cube. So what about LCM? LCM is alpha cube beta cube. If you cross multiply, so it will become beta cube plus alpha cube into 1 by alpha cube plus beta cube. So this alpha cube beta cube get cancelled. So 1 by alpha beta whole cube. So 1 by alpha beta whole cube. Alpha beta means product of the roots. That is 1 by c by a whole cube is a cube by c cube. Okay, therefore value of the given expression is a cube by c cube. A cube by c cube, any option is there? C cube by a cube by c cube, second option is the right option. Now next question is, if alpha beta are the roots of ax square minus 2bx plus c equals to 0, then find alpha cube plus beta cube plus alpha square beta cube plus alpha cube beta square. So first write down the given, that is ax cube minus 2bx plus c equals to 0. What are the roots? Alpha and beta. So sum of the roots alpha beta, formula is minus b by a. Actual formula is minus b by a. But here value of x coefficient is already minus 2b. So 2b by a. And alpha into beta, product of the roots is c by a. Okay. So here we have to find the value of alpha cube beta cube plus alpha square beta cube plus alpha cube beta square. From this one we can take alpha beta whole square common. So one more alpha plus beta remains, from here beta remains, and from here alpha remains. So this is nothing but our product of the roots and sum of the roots and product of the roots. So if you substitute sum of the roots, product of the roots is c by a whole square, sum of the roots alpha, here also product of the roots, that is c by a, plus sum of the roots is 2b by a. So c square by a, and this one 2b plus c divided by a. A into a is a square. So c, this is a square. C square by a cube into 2b plus c. So any option is there? C square by a cube. So c square by a cube 2b plus C is the first option itself. Okay, so answer is first option. That is C square by A cube into 2B plus C. Now, fourth question is, if alpha beta equals to minus 2 and alpha cube beta cube equals to minus 56, then quadratic equation whose roots are alpha and beta. So here we have to find quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta. So what about quadratic equation with roots alpha beta? That is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. So here value of alpha plus beta is minus 2. We need to find the value of alpha into beta. So given, first write on the given, that is alpha plus beta is given minus 2 and alpha cube plus beta cube is given minus 56. We know that formula of alpha cube plus beta cube is alpha plus beta whole cube minus 3 alpha beta into alpha plus beta. From this equation, we have to make alpha into beta as subject. So alpha cube plus beta cube, that is minus 56 equals to minus 2 whole cube minus 3 times of alpha beta into minus 2. So minus 56 minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, minus into minus plus 6 alpha beta. So 6 alpha beta becomes minus 56 minus 8 is minus 48. So alpha beta equals to 6 ones are 6 8s are. Therefore, product of the roots we have minus 8. Now form a quadratic equation with roots alpha and beta. So that is our required equation is x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta equals to 0. That is x square minus sum of the root minus, so minus of minus plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. So any option is there, x square plus 2x minus 8, x square plus 2x minus 8 is fourth option is the right option. Now question number 5, if alpha beta are the roots of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, then find the value of a alpha plus b whole power minus 2, a beta plus b whole power minus 2. So what about given quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. If alpha is the root of the quadratic equation, means alpha satisfies the equation. So we can write in the place of x alpha, so a alpha square plus b alpha plus c equals to 0. So this will become a alpha square plus b alpha equals to minus c. If you take one alpha common, so it will become a alpha plus b equals to minus c. Or we can write a alpha plus b equals to minus c by alpha. So what about a alpha plus b equals to minus c by alpha? Similarly, beta also a root of the given quadratic equation. If you substitute in the place of beta, we will get a beta plus b equals to minus c by this alpha, now c by beta. Okay. Now we have to find a alpha plus b whole power minus 2 plus b a beta plus b whole power minus 2. Minus 2 means divided. So 1 by a alpha plus b whole power minus 2 whole power plus 2, 1 by a beta plus b whole power 2. So what about a alpha plus b is minus c by a beta plus c is minus c by b. So square, doing square on both sides, so it will become alpha square by c square, and this will become beta square by c square. Or we can write alpha square plus beta square by c square. What about alpha square plus beta square? That is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta by c square. And our value of alpha beta is minus b by a. So minus b by a whole square minus 2 times of c by a whole divided by c square. So b square, LCM is a square, so multiply with a, 2ac divided by a square and this c square. Therefore, value of a alpha plus b whole power minus 2 a beta plus b minus whole power minus 2 is b square minus 2ac by a square c square. So that is our second option. Sorry, third option. Next question is, if alpha, beta are real and alpha square minus beta square are the roots of the given quadratic equation where a is greater than 1, then beta square equals 2. So, given quadratic equation is a square x square plus x plus 1 minus a square equals to 0, where a is greater than 1. A is greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4, so on. So, put a equals to 2. If I take a equals to 2, this equation becomes 4x square plus x, 1 minus 2 square is 4, so minus 3 equals to 0. So 4 3s are minus 12, 4 3s are minus 12, and 4 3s are 12, 4 into minus 3 is minus 12, and 4 minus 3 is 1. So 4x square, x we are adding 4x minus 3x minus 3 equals to 0. From first two terms, last two terms. If you take 4x common from first two terms, 1 more x plus 1 remains. Minus 3 common from last two terms, x plus 1 remains. So x plus 1 again taking common. So x plus 1 equals to 0 and 4x minus 3 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1 and x equals to 3 by 4. So x means our roots. So x are the roots. What are the roots? Alpha square and minus beta square. So in option 3 by 4 is not there. So one root is minus beta square. Value is minus 1. Then what about beta square? Beta square is 1. Okay. So x values are nothing but our roots. That is alpha square and minus beta square. So minus beta square is minus 1. Then beta square is plus 1. Any option is there? Plus 1 means second option is the right option. Now next question. If alpha, beta are the roots of x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0, then find alpha power 5, beta power 5. So very, very important model. Okay. So here, first write down the given equation, that is x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. Its roots are x equals to, using the formula, minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So x equals to 2 plus or minus under root b square means 4 minus 4ac. 4 4s are 16 divided by 2. So 2 plus or minus 4 minus 16 is minus 12. Minus 12 means 4 3s are. So we can write 2i into root 3 divided by 2. So if you take 2 common, so 1 plus or minus I root 3 divided by 2. If you take minus common, so it will become minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2. So we know that the value of minus 1 plus or minus I root 3 by 2 are the cube root of unity, means omega and omega square. So values of x are minus 2 omega and minus 2 omega square. Minus 2 omega and minus 2 omega square. So one is minus 2 omega, second one is minus 2 omega square. So here the roots means alpha equals to minus 2 omega and beta equals to minus 2 omega square. So we have to find the value of alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Okay. So alpha power 5 means minus 2 omega whole power 5. Beta means minus 2 omega square whole power 5. So minus 2 whole power 5 common, omega power 5, omega power 2, 5s are 10. So minus 2 power 5 is minus 32. Omega power 5 means omega power 3 into 2. Omega power 3 into omega square. And 10 we are writing 9 into omega. So we know that omega cube, since 1 plus omega square. If 1 omega square are the cube roots of unity, 1 plus omega square is 0. Omega cube equals to 1. So minus 32. This is 1 into omega is omega square. Omega cube. So omega cube as well as multiples of 3 also 1. So this will become omega. And what about from this one? Omega plus omega square equals to minus 1. So minus 32 into minus 1. So minus of minus plus 32. So third option is the right option. Now next question, this one also very very important. Yes, if k greater than 0 and the product of the roots of the equation x square minus 3kx plus 2 times of e power 2 log k minus 1 equals to 0 is 7, then sum of the roots. So here, product of the roots is given. So what are the sum of the roots? Sum of the root means alpha plus beta, we have to find, and product of the root alpha into beta is given 7. Okay. So first of all, given product of the roots alpha into beta, that is c divided by a. So c by a is given 7. So this one we can write 2 times of e power, e log is get cancelled. So we can write k square, e and log get cancelled. So this will become k square minus 1 equals to 7. So c by a is 1. So 2k square equals to 8, k square equals to 4, and k equals to plus or minus 2. Square root of 4 is plus or minus 2. So first option is the right option. So here 2 times of e power 2 log k, we can write 2 times of e power logarithm of k square. So e log get cancelled, 2 into k square. Okay, and this comes. Now next question is, if tan A and tan B are the roots of the equation x square minus px plus q equals to 0, then find the value of sine square a plus b. So what about formula of sine square a plus b? Sine square a plus b. Okay, we have to express sine square a plus b in terms of tan. So formula of sine square, actually I am writing formula of tan square. Formula of tan square is sine square by cos square. Sine square by cos square. Okay, from this one, if you make tan square, sine square a plus b as subject, so sine square a plus b becomes tan square a plus b into cos square. Cos square means by cos square, by secant square. The reciprocal of cos square is secant square. And what about tan square a plus b divided by secant square formula is 1 plus tan square. So sine square a plus b means tan square a plus b by 1 plus tan square a plus b. So here, given equation, sum of the roots, what are the roots? Tan a, tan b. So sum of the roots means tan a plus tan b is minus b by a. So minus of minus plus b by 1. And product of the roots, tan a, tan b is c by k, that is q. So formula of tan a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan A tan B means P by 1 minus tan A into tan B means Q. So in the place of tan A plus B, if you write P by 1 minus Q, 1 plus P by 1 plus Q. So this is P by 1 minus Q whole square whole divided by 1 plus P by 1 minus Q whole square. So if you simplify, so maybe the fourth option is the right option. Fourth option only. Okay. So p square, 1 minus q square, 1 minus q square get cancelled. You expand 1 minus q square plus p square, you will get p square plus 1 minus q whole square. Okay. So fourth option is the right option. Now next question is, if the sum of the squares of the roots is 10, then value of p. So first write down the given equation, x square plus px minus 3 equals to 0. So alpha plus beta, sum of the roots is minus p by 1. And alpha into beta, product of the roots is c by a, that is minus 3. So we have sum of the roots, alpha plus beta is minus p, and product of the roots, alpha into beta is minus 3. But given here, alpha square plus beta square, the sum of the squares of the roots is 10. So we know that formula of alpha square plus beta square is alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So here we have to make alpha plus beta as subject. So alpha square plus beta square 10, alpha plus beta whole square we don't know, that is p minus p whole square minus 2 times of alpha into beta is minus 3. So 10 equals to p square minus of minus plus 6. So p square equals to 10 minus 6 is 4. P equals to square root of 4. That is plus or minus 2. So any option is there. First option.